Well, I'm back just. I think it's been a while. Feels like it's been a while, and thank you for all the support and everything, and just patience. We have technically got a whole day. It looks like there's no interruption, so we'll try our best. It's been a while, so we're just trying to get our mojo back and get back into it and work out what we're going to do, and actually try and do some tasks, and hopefully they work. And because what you don't want to do is do something and then it goes, oh, it didn't work, and then we bugger something up, and that really spoils your day, and then it just completely slows you down, like everybody knows with projects. So I don't do this for a living, surprisingly. I've got a desk job, so got to do that regardless, because you've got to pay the mortgage these days, haven't you? Otherwise they take your house away. So when your life's a bit pants, you still got to work, and all your other stuff gets put on hold. So that's why this has all got to hold for a bit. But anyway, we're here. Sphere's parked on W lines. Need to move that in a minute. And I think we'll start by cutting some holes in the dash and see how we go from there. Planning on fitting like mini air vents to them just for now. I just see how they work. I haven't got any at the moment, so if anybody's got any of the plastic V vents to donate or for sale, leave a comment, get in touch. Facebook, email, all in the description. So I've been doing some bits on other things. Parts have been arriving for the Jeep, which I'll do a separate video on. I've got another video maybe coming out during the middle of the week. I'll try and save the Jeep videos during the week, Frank for the weekends, just to try and give you some sort of normality. And planning on going up to my dad's end of March, so there'll be some dad videos as well later on then, but that's another month away yet. We've got to get through bloody February yet, haven't we? Not even no clue for tea yet, so we're going to try and figure that out during the day. Can't we? Something easy, I think. Something easy. So, I don't think any other parts have arrived for this. We've just got stuff to do, so hopefully make some holes in the dashboard. Maybe look at the side skirt mountings. That'd be quite good as well, because they're only held on by the tops into the top of the sills. At least there's not much wind today. So hopefully I'll show up a bit more during the video. Alright, I say we've tidied up the floor a bit. We've moved some of the big items off the floor, so we've actually got space to actually put a tripod down, because I'm a professional. So I don't actually have any of the vents just yet, as I just said, but someone's kindly given me a measurement. Thank you, Simpsons Classics. And they're 9 inches basically. So what we're going to do, that's 9 inches from mounting holes. Again, very hard to describe. I should draw a picture really. Let's draw a picture. Quickly draw a picture. So vents on the Mini look like that, basically a funnel, but they're flat. If you saw me, they're pancake, top view. Got a hole there, and then you've got a slot. You've got a slot there. So distance between the two holes is 9 inches, and we'll guess the rest. But what we do is we'll drill 2 holes for the centres for where those go, and then we'll drill 2 holes for the ends of each slot. Then we're going to take the dashboard off. We'll get a disc cutter and zip along one edge, and then we're going to fold it out so it fills, makes a little direction-y thing. That's what I think anyway. That's my plan. So we just need to figure out where we put the vents and try and put them fairly central, or evenly, or parallel, or equilateral. And dashboard inside sort of goes forward, so we've got no problem with it just being mounted straight down. There's loads of room. And crack on, Matthew. Okie dokie. A little bit crude, I could have maybe used some sort of like little Dremel or something to make a slot. So basically what I've done is just done 2 big holes, which are going to be the end of the flap. And then we'll just this cut with the diamond tool along one edge, the front here, and then we'll put some angle or something on it, and then we're going to tap that so it flips up and makes like a directional vent going upwards. That'll do. And then we'll just clean the edges up, and then obviously we've got 2 small holes at either end to hopefully mount the thing on, so the funnel on, and then we'll connect that up to some heater that we haven't even got yet. But I needed to do this because obviously we were trying to finish the dash at some point, so we can then flock it, which I expect is a bit cold for flocking, but we'll figure that out when we're actually ready. So I'm thinking before I take it off, the other thing I've got to do is make a hole in the dashboard. Where is it? Bear with. Oh, I don't know where it's gone. There's the switches. I made my little switch panel, didn't I? So I wanted to cut a hole for that. We'll find that and then we'll come back to you. Well, there went an hour and a half just trying to look for the switch panel that I've now lost. I'll have to print another one. Oh, it's got to be somewhere in it. Anyway, I started the car up, got distracted by running that, and anyway, I'm thinking, well, let's cut these slots before we take this dash out to then fold it, because it's sort of bolted in. It's you know, I don't think I cut anything underneath, and yeah, make a little bit of mess, but we don't mind a bit of mess, do we? I'm thinking jacket potatoes for tea now. I'm thinking they're simple. Whack them in the oven for a bit. Daughter microwaves hers for 30 minutes or 10 minutes first, and then does it out. I'll just go straight in the oven, bit of oil, salt around it. Anyway, yeah, let's cut those. Oh, lovely. It started to rain. That's all we need. So basically, there we go. Look, I've just clamped a couple of pieces of box either side of that. I need to clean up all the cutting that I've done with the thing, but I think that'll be easier once I fold it over. So basically what we're going to do now, get a bit of aluminium block and just try and tap that 90 degrees as far as we can. So I think what we'll do, we'll use the block to start with. Once it gets over, we can then turn it over and then tap it with the hammer. That's the idea. Time-lapse time. Well, it's nearly lunchtime, and we've managed to make 2 slotted holes. Wow, that's called progress, isn't it, eh? And the rain's coming down harder, so I'm stuck in the garage a little bit more. I was hoping to try and back the car out so we could try and work on the sills. But yeah. Alright, well, it's a start. It's shame I can't find my switch panel. Yeah, slotted holes all ready for the vents to be put on, and then obviously some point in the heater. I'm thinking, cheapy wise or just easiest wise, is maybe go for one of those electric. You can get like little 12-volt heaters, I think, for rally cars. But I don't know. We'll try to see what crops up on eBay. I'll see a few on Amazon, so I'll stick one on my list anyway. And yeah. Alright. Let's warm up. Alright, I'm back to go inside and get some lunch. What we're doing there, I'll try to find the other piece. Where's the other piece? Yeah. So previously we'd neatly cut the holes using a disc cutter, so I just went round, and I need to wear a pair of gloves because it hurts your hand holding that, especially in the cold. Just made it a circle and made it flush a little bit with the 3D printed ducting adapter thingy. So yeah, the thing with riv nuts is they leave a slight gap, because obviously, which I could have done a 3D printed, I could have done a recess or anything, I could do anything on there, but I'll mostly put a bit of silicone around that eventually and then clamp it back on. But yeah, that'll do. But let's go get some lunch and then we'll come back and clean the other one up. Thanks again for subscribing. If you don't subscribe, subscribe. Hit the like button, please. It really does help. And if you want to support me in any way, please check out the description below. There's different ways of supporting me. But yeah, just saying, what you had for dinner's a good support. So yeah, hope everyone's staying safe. Okay, thank you, wife, for making our lunch. Dropped her off at work, so we've still got a few more hours. And yeah, been raining. My garage is absolutely soaking. We need to sort the door out. That's another issue for another day. And so yeah, we've got to clean up one more hole with the little grinder. So we get that done and we can move on. I'm moving very quickly, very quickly, very quickly. Can't do this on every time lapse. Whew. Alrighty. It's stopped raining, so for a few minutes, so we can use my outside workbench. This is the top one to the radiator ducting thing. Had just PK'd them on originally, but why not? Let's riv nut them on. So we'll take these off, or drill some holes, riv nut, put them back on. Job's good, isn't it? It's another little job ticked off the list. I was just running up to temperature again. I don't know. I need to talk to you guys about the heating system. They're still not happy with it. The flow, I don't know. Maybe I just need to pull the thermostat out and just prove something. Yeah, it's just not flowing how I want. Oh, go away, dog. Climbing up a tree. Ugh. But so busy around here. I need a unit. I really do, don't I, guys? Oh, let alone leaks. You see it down the walls. I know it's not a tidy place, but this garage is getting leakier by the minute. Leakier. Took a little bit longer to fettle the holes a little bit. The print slipped a bit when I was doing it originally. Anyway, little drill through those. All good. So yeah, another little step done. Just trying to work out whether I want to put it all back in yet until I figure out this. I've still got an eating issue. Shall I talk you through it? I don't know if I've got enough room to really talk stuff through. So, top hose all the way to the front. What I need to remember is where that goes. I'm pretty sure that goes down to the bottom. Now it should go to the top of the engine, shouldn't it? To the top of the engine. To there. And then you got the pump that goes to the bottom hose, which goes to the bottom of the engine pipe on the Subaru, which is where the thermostat is as far as I remember or know. And so basically we've got a pump that's sucking from the bottom of the engine. No, we haven't got sucking. We're sucking from the top of the engine, basically through the radiator, sprays it out to the bottom hose. That didn't really make much sense, did it? But yeah. Oh, I was hoping to try and get it outside quickly. I was going to put the spotlights on, or the spot lamp bar, headlamp, spot lamp thingy. Just because I don't know if some of the new people have, seen it. We've got 6 spotlights to go on. So we're going to put it on anyway, just so we can see it. But if it nearly stays dry, I'll drive the car out a little bit and get an outside shot. I do love the front of this car. I do love the look of it. It just looks so cool, so menacing. It really is. Oh, it just reminds me when I've got a bit of space, you can work. But yeah. Oh, it just started to come down really badly there, and I was getting wet, actually inside my garage. Shouldn't stand in the way. Got my rally flaps. We need to put them on the front at some point as well, so that could be a nice little job for the next video. Yeah. Again, another piece of thing that's not been painted. If you haven't seen me make this, a friend gave me a 4 holes spotlights. I added 2 more on, plus also sort of moulded it and made it sort of shapely to actually fit the Metro. So it's not original, it's not whatever, I don't know. But so I wanted to get outside, but I don't think I can. Just pissing down, just pointless. So anyway, where's my beer? Thank you for following me. If you like what you see, hit the like button. If you don't like what you see, go to another channel. So yeah, thanks for all the support. If you want to help me, check the description. And it's nice to actually get back on this car a little bit. As I said, real life's got in the way over the last few weeks. But it is what it is, isn't it? Cheers, everyone, have a good evening.